Blue Giant is a global leader in the development, manufacture, and distribution of loading dock systems and material handling equipment. The new headquarters and factory is an impressive state-of-the-art modern facility, conveniently located in Toronto, Canada. Vertical integration allows Blue Giant to take in raw materials, to design and build a variety of loading dock products to meet our customers' needs. Every step of the process has been designed to be innovative, including on-site materials preparation and robotic welding. The entire operation is safe and efficient. A complete powder coating system continues Blue Giant's commitment to excellence. The factory and equipment have been designed and developed to provide a focus on quality and safety for a reliable and consistent product. Modern and progressive, Blue Giant's facility can support our customers' needs for many decades. Scalable and modular automation allows for long-term sustainability. Throughout every step of development, manufacturing, and distribution. On-staff customer support, and our Blue Giant University educational program allows for immediate and informed responses to clients' needs. Our engineering department is constantly looking for ways to design and test new products that meet the needs of our industry's evolving requirements. The new Blue Giant facility is ready to serve you.